Hi, store owners. If you're looking for a way to add a minimum order requirement for your wholesale customers, our Wholesale Prices Premium has its feature for you. Go to WooCommerce settings, and on the wholesale prices, you will see on the first tab the order requirement setting. Here you can set the minimum order quantity and the minimum order subtotal for your wholesale customers. These requirements are applied to the customer's cart, and once they reach either one or two of these requirements, then they will get the wholesale prices for their products. In this example, I've added 20 for the minimum order quantity and 100 for the minimum order subtotal. Now, the next setting will let me choose whether I require them both to be satisfied or only one. But in this example, I will gonna choose end so that both order requirements need to be satisfied. Let's go ahead and log in as a wholesale customer to the other tab. And here I'm logged in as a wholesale customer, and I'm gonna add a few products just to test how the minimum order requirements work. Now let's go to the cart, and you will see that the notice just pop up from the cart page saying that I haven't met the minimum order quantity of 20 and a subtotal of $100. And you will see that the wholesale subtotal calculated price is $59. But you will notice that the subtotal at the bottom is $70. Just a tip that the wholesale price is calculated on the notice because we use the wholesale price of the products added. So we need to fulfill and satisfy this minimum order requirement by adding more products to the cart. Let's add a few products. As you can see, I've added more products, but it hasn't been met yet because although I've reached the $100, I still have the 20 minimum order quantity to be fulfilled. So let's add more products. Now you can see that the price have adjusted to wholesale price, and then the wholesale customer can now check out with the wholesale prices on their cart. Now, if you want to restrict your wholesale customer from checking out until they meet the minimum order requirements, you can do so by going to wholesale rows under the WooCommerce setting. Here you can see that we have a wholesale customer role, and the wholesale purchases only is the setting that we need to check if they want to restrict it. We just have to click the role specific settings here to prevent purchase if the wholesale condition is not met, and hit the edit save button. Now the wholesale customer won't be able to check out unless they meet the necessary requirements for their wholesale minimum order.